Alright, what's up YouTube? Alright, USMC Vet here. Sorry I sound weird breathing. Damn nose is clogged up, allergies or something. Today we're going to build some raised rabbit coops. So, I don't have a tripod or a good camera to show you the step-by-step, but give you a basic rundown on what we bought. These J-clip pliers. We only found one of these. I usually build the chicken coops out of these two, but yeah, that's all we could find. This is 1.5 or 1 inch by 1.5, yeah. And then I have two 1 inch, 1 inch by the side. So I'm gonna roll the bottom piece out. 6 foot 6 inches is what I need to fit this side of the dog kennel that we picked up for free, if you remember in the past videos. 6 foot 6 cage. That's a pallet up there, and I'm going to put a roof on top of that so we can hang it from that. And then I'm going to put a support in the middle here after I move the table back out of here, and so I don't get that in the way. Anyways, we're going to roll this out. 6 foot 6 inches. Cut it. Weight it down on both ends. Then we're going to cut our sides. Roll it out. Put all the J-clips on. Fold it up. Then run a tie or something across the top, and then put the top layer on. And I'll leave it hinged so I can fold it back over itself, so I can put the end caps on and separate each individual one. And I'm thinking, I think 2 foot 5 is what they recommended, 2 foot 6 inches. So we'll have 2, 4. So 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll make one of them a little bit bigger for the mama and kits whenever they start happening. I think they call it kits, rabbits. I think. I'm not a rabbit expert. Sorry. This is my first time with rabbits. We've kept rabbits, but they've mainly been pets. But now we're gonna grow them as meat. So, anyways, that's what we're doing today. So, keep on pushing forward. Never stop preparing or doing what you're doing just because of what's going on around you. And yeah, keep on keeping on. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitch, moans, complaints, leave me in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. I'll post pictures on Instagram and a short video when I'm done. Sorry I can't film it all, but plenty of good videos on there. There's another Marine on there that does them. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description box below. Semper Fi, Godspeed. Have a great day.